Here we will proceed ahead with the same fourth question only. In previous clip I explained you till the multiples, okay. 20 multiples of 2 we have written here, then 10 multiples of 8 also we have written, then 10 multiples of 12 also we have written. Now it is asking that common multiples of 2 and 8. You know what are common multiples? If you remember, in previous class we have done this topic of common multiples, right? Common means those multiples which are there in the table of 2 also and which are there in the table of 8 also. Understood na? This is known as common multiples. When you will match here these are 20 multiples of 2 and here 10 multiples of 8. Now you say that what are those numbers which are there in this table also, which are there in this table also. First of all, we'll begin with 2. Is this 2 there in the table of 8? 2 is not there. So will it be the common multiple? It will not be. 4 is there in the table of 8? Also not there. 6 also not there. But when we will see this 8 is there in the table of 8 also and 8 is there in the table of 2 also. This 8 will be considered as the common multiple of 2 and 8. Understood? So what is the first common multiple? It will be 8. Are you getting this clear? Common means that multiple which is there in 2 table also, which is there in table of 8 also. Okay. After this 8, which other number is there in 2 and 8 both? You just write the multiples in your textbook and then you match. It will be clear to you. 10. Is there 10 in table of 8? Not there, na? So it will not be the common. 12 also is not there. After this we directly have this 16. Is there in the table of 2 also and 16 is there in 8 also. So this 16 will be the next common factor. Okay. So the first common factor is 8. Second common factor is 16. Okay. And then when you will go ahead, which other factor you will see? 24. Is 24 given in 2's table? Yes. So 8, then 16, then other one is 24. Are you getting this clear or not? Yes. Then we have what else? 32. Is any 32 there in a table of 2? Yes, it is. Okay. So 32 will be your next common factor between 8 and 2. After this we have 40. Okay. Now you see this 48. Is there 48 in table of 2? It is not there. You see, 48 will be common between 2 and 8 for sure. But in the 2 tables, it is asked only up to 20 multiples. So we will write only till 40. Understood? So common multiples of 2 and 8, what answer you will write, you know? 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. I hope it is clear to all. Then we'll do this one. Common multiples of 2 and 12. Similarly you have to do, only other than 8 you have to match the common numbers between 2 and 12. Okay. So the first common number will be 12. Okay. You can see 12 is there in the table of 12 and 12 also is there in the table of 2. Then we have 24. It is also here. Then when we have 36, it is also in the table of 2. So the 3 common multiples between 12 and 2, what are they? They will be 12, 24 and 36. Okay. You can see all these numbers will be there in the table of 2. Again I am repeating this, but here it is written only 20 multiples, not more than that. That's why we will write only till 36. Okay, na? Now we have common between 8 and 12. You can write on your own. It is already written here 24, 48 and 72. But you match according to your book and then you write. Okay. I'll tell you for D, it is little bit different. It is written common multiples between 2, 8 and 12. You see, it is asked for all the 3 tables together. If it is for all the 3 tables together, na, please don't think like, suppose 16 is there in 2 and 8. But is this 16 there in 12? No, na? So 16 will not be the common multiple of all three. 16 is common multiple of 2 and 8 for sure. But 16 will not be the common multiple when it is asked for 2, 8 and 16 all three. Are you getting my point clear? When it is asked for all the three, na, that time we have to write only that number which is coming in all the three tables together. Is my point clear? If you will see here 72. 72 is there in table of 8. It is also there in table of 12. But is this 72 there in the table of 2? It is not there, right? So it cannot be considered as the common between all three. So whenever it is asked for all the three tables, always keep in mind we have to write only that number which is coming in all the three tables. So when you will match which number you are getting here, you can see here 24. Also this 24 in table of 8. Also this is in 12. Right? So 24 will be that number which is there in all the three tables together. Any other number is there which is there in all the three? I think it is not there, but when you will solve, once you check and write the correct answer. I hope this fourth question is clear now.